Both the dmc150 and dmc300 EnviroBoxes are provided with a 6-metre quartz fibre bundle to transport light from the input optic to the spectroradiometer. The quartz fibre bundle is very fragile and care must be observed when deploying it, and indeed in fitting it to the EnviroBox. Here we will look at the case of the dmc150 EnviroBox, and then the dmc300 EnviroBox fibre installation. For the dmc150 EnviroBox, the fibre is input through an aperture to the rear of the unit. Firstly, we should remove the protective end of the fibre bundle and pass it through to the inside of the EnviroBox. We can approach the plate which attaches the fibre to the EnviroBox. Now we will look at inside of the EnviroBox to see how it's fit to the entrance slit of the monochromator. Now from inside the dmc150 EnviroBox. One hand should hold the end of the fibre bundle, and the other hand on the outside of the EnviroBox should help gently push the fibre into the EnviroBox base. We should have removed the fibre slit adapter plate from the entrance slit of the monochromator in this case, so that we can fit the fibre off the slit. You should notice that the ferrule of the fibre has a groove, and the adapter plate has a cone grub screw which will fit in this groove to ensure the correct orientation. In the first instance, we should pass the fibre through the adapter plate, ensuring we locate the grub in the groove, and simply take the fibre to the end of the plate and tighten the grub initially for the purposes of now fitting the entire assembly to the entrance plate slit. So we gently lower the fibre bundle and adapter to the entrance slit, and using the 4 M3 screws provided, attach the fibre to the entrance slit. Having done this and used a key to ensure all 4 screws are tightly fitted, we should then again re-loosen the grub screw holding the fibre to the plate. So we can push the fibre further towards the slit, and when we have reached the limit, we can tighten the grub screw to ensure the fibre does not move. The final step is from again to the rear of the EnviroBox. Finally, to the rear of the EnviroBox, we should approach the plate which will hold the fibre to the body of the EnviroBox, attach the 4 screws holding this plate in place, and once having securely fitted the plate, in all 4 corners, we should approach the piece which will clamp down on the fibres with some gentle rotation, ensuring the fibre will not move. You must be very careful that this is very susceptible to damage and should not knock the fibre clearly, since it is so fragile.